this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing like Katy Perry. So let's sing something. La la la. Katy Perry, truthfully, I really enjoy her songs. I feel like she's one of those singers that puts poetry into her music, and it just shows in everything that she sings. And it's really awesome, especially right now with Daisies just coming out, to hear her going back to her roots of that woman empowerment kind of feeling, kind of like what she did with Fireworks. Anyways, enough about that. I am here to teach you the style of how Katy Perry sings. Let's get started. Hack number 1, vocal flips. In this example, I'm going to use the song Rise that she did for the Olympics. And with the flip, she does it right off the bat. It's where the vocal cords come together and then they release, and then they come together and then they release. Her example that she does is the words, "I won't just survive." And if you sing it in a normal tone, it would be, "I won't just survive." But she doesn't do that. She adds a flip right to the beginning of it. I won't just, and then continues on from there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna think of the air kind of being trapped in the back of the throat, and then as you go from the lower note to the higher note, I want you to think of a release or an opening of space and add a little huh to it. I won't, and that will help create that tension and release that she does with the vocal flip. If you are slightly lost in everything that I'm saying, just know that I have a cheat sheet. It's free, it's downloadable, and it will go over all of these steps that I have described. Hack number 2, vocal fry. Vocal fry is when the vocal cords come together and they rub a whole lot and they tighten and they hold that position, and it creates kind of a sound, which truthfully reminds me of when I wake up in the morning and I'm like, I just want my coffee. Or it could also be like that scary chick from The Grudge when she comes out of the little thing and her hair's. We just learned the flip. Now we're going to add in that grit of the vocal fry. So we have I won't just. And you can easily achieve this by creating that gritty sound, saying the words. I won't just, I won't, and then you go into the transfer of the rest of the song. Hack number 3, excess air. Now this hack is slightly combined with the 4th hack. I usually only do 3 hacks. Couldn't do this hack without doing the other hack. I'm gonna teach you this one and know that the other one is combined. Excess air is the soft way that Katy Perry sings the beginning of the song. It's either the pre-chorus or the chorus that she sings the first time through with this soft, airy tone, and then when she sings it the second time, she adds this front belt. And what it does is it creates these amazing dynamics, so as the listener, you're like, ooh, the song is building until it hits the ending of it. We're going to create this excess air, and we're going to use an example from her newest song, at least at the time of this filming, it was the newest song, called Daisies. The words of the song are, they told me I was crazy. They told me I was crazy. She goes soft on that crazy part with that excess air to give it that soft texture feeling. And how you're going to get the excess air is by thinking of the letter or the sound or whatever it is of ha. Excess air popping out from your voice. So we're going to start with just that word crazy. And instead of singing crazy, we're going to sing crazy. Think of a whisper, like you're saying the words whispered. Hey, hey, crazy. To give it that soft feeling until you sing it the second time, which is hack number 4. I'd like to take a moment and put in a little plug that if you're slightly confused on what I am talking about, then go to vocalfreebies.com, click on cheat sheets, and you can download every step that I have just told you for free. So you have it. It's like on a piece of paper and you're like, awesome! Hack number 4, belting. Katy Perry has this awesome front-placed belt, which gives it again that powerful kick at the end of each song. So we're gonna use the same phrase. Instead of adding crazy, we're gonna add the belt. They told me I was crazy. How she does this is by placing the sound a little bit more in her nasal pharynx and sitting down into the body. So that's what I want you to do. Think of the weight heading down into your body, and then think of the sound coming out, but instead of a push, we're gonna think of it being spoken and then sung. Speaking it though like you're singing all the way across the room. They told me I was crazy. Then you're gonna attach notes. They told me I was crazy. If you want a little more detail on how to belt, down in the description in the link, I have a video that goes over in detail how to belt. So you get a little more information on that. Click here for that downloadable free cheat sheet that I was just telling you about on how to sing like Katy Perry. Click here for a video review that I did of Daisies, and come hang out with me in my Facebook group. The link is down below, and I will see you in the next song. La la la.